Hello everyone, my name is DarKalligraph and welcome back to my channel. Or, if you're new, well then welcome for the first time. Before I begin, only around 9.7% of you who are watching my videos are actually subscribed. So, if you haven't already, then please subscribe, it would really help me out a lot. Thank you. So today, I got a dip pen, and I am super excited to open it. Let's begin. So this is the pen holder, and it is the Tachikawa, I believe. As you can see, it is a quite popular pen holder, and it's also relatively cheap. I got it for around $8 Australian. And here are the nibs. These are the very beautiful Nico G nibs. And here's the back as well, if you're interested. And finally, the ink, the Füllhaltertinte. There's my attempt at pronouncing German. So let's unbox it, shall we? So first we're going to begin by opening the holder. And today I'm joined with my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, he's gonna be my helper today. So I'm just gonna try and cut this plastic. Come on, there we go. I can cut plastic, yes. And there's a lid. There's a lid, everyone, and here's the holder, as you can see, the Tachikawa. And here I think you would attach the nib, and then you would just write like, you would attach the nib in the hole, I believe it's the outer ring, and then you would just write like this. Probably not with the lid, but yeah. So, okay, now we are going to open the nibs, and wait, that did absolutely nothing. Okay, well, no, I don't really want to cut the back though. Greg, can you do this for me?
Yep.
I don't know how to cut things. Okay.
Well, I can open this.
Yes. Okay, turns out we don't actually need to cut it. There's this thing that opens for us, so.
Oh.
Never mind. Well, anyways, we did it. Okay, so I'm just gonna get one of the nibs out for now. And oh wow, this is so beautiful. Like there's a bunch of intricate patterns on it, and it looks really nice. Okay, so let's put it in. Greg, it works.
Yay!
Yes, it works. Okay. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. So before we write with it, apparently there is a layer of oil on the nib that we need to get rid of. So today we are going to be burning the oil off. So we have this candle right here, and we're gonna light it, hopefully. So let's create fire.
Wait.
Well, that didn't work. Looks like we're gonna have to use matches. Here's how that went. Okay, so the match, like the end of the match just fell off, so that was kind of disappointing. And also I've switched to tongs, as they do not conduct heat. So okay, I've also added just put a match in because it was too hard to use the actual candle thing. So we just have to use a match. Okay, so I think we have to put the nib in for around about 10 seconds, I heard. Yeah, that should be round about it. I think we're good. Before I move on, I just want to say that my nib does look a bit burnt. Apparently this is okay, but if you know anything about this, then feel free to tell me. Finally, we can open the ink, and this is gonna be the only proper unboxing part, as it's actually in a box. I can do this. I can open a box. Yes. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's surprisingly fancy. Like, it's just the packaging. Let's see the ink. It is, brilliant schwarz, which means brilliant black in German. Yeah. Okay, everyone, so this is going to be my very, very first attempt using a dip pen. And, so if you don't know, what you do is you just dip it in, it's in the name, as you can see here, until the little hole in the middle, I think it's called the reservoir, something like that, is filled up. And, yeah, let's see. Okay. Okay, I think I need a little more ink than that. The ink doesn't seem to be coming out, so we shall see. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, okay, we got a slightly thicker line, but I think I still need more ink. I'm kind of scared to dip it in more because I just don't know. Oh, there we go, got it. I think that's it. I mean, we went a little wide there, but you know what? For my first attempt, I think that's okay. I'm gonna try and practice some strokes. So you have your thin strokes, which are the up strokes, and then your thicker strokes, which are your down strokes. Okay, now I'm gonna try and write my name because I imagine I'm going to be writing my name with this pen quite a lot. So, and it's a good way to practice. Okay, I think that's a pretty good B so far. It's not perfect, but for my first attempt, I think it's pretty good. What do you think?
I think it's pretty good as well. I like it.
Thank you. Oh, okay, well, no, okay, need a bit more ink.
Okay. Sad.
Oh no, disaster, I've dipped it in too much. This was my fear. Oh well, we'll just have to try and wipe it with a tissue and it should be fine. And there we go. I just need I'm gonna just wipe my pen with the tissue because apparently you're meant to do that after using it.
Yep. So the ink can go.
Hey, Greg, you want to try?
Sure.
Okay.
Excited.
So, have you ever done calligraphy before?
I've done
Brush calligraphy, yeah. So, but this, okay, so
It's different.
yeah. So we shall see how Greg fares with this. As you can see, you put the nib in, and I'll do it for you, Greg. And there we go. We
Thank
can
you.
write your name. Greg, you did it! You got the down stroke.
Woo!
You know what? That's not bad, actually. It's better than some people I've actually seen on the internet.
Aw,
So
thanks.
yeah, that's actually not too bad. Although that thing is a bit long, I will say.
Well, I don't know calligraphy.
You went a
My
little bit
fault.
overboard with this line.
It isn't my fault.
It's okay. That's actually quite good for your first attempt, I'd say. Although, I mean, don't trust me, I have no idea what I'm doing either, but I think that looks pretty good for a first attempt.
Thank you, Ben.
So now I'm gonna write try and write my very first sentence, and I'm gonna write dip pens are cool, well, because I think they're cool. So, I'm gonna just be quiet and let you enjoy the satisfaction. Goodbye. And unfortunately my camera just ran out of power, but here is the final piece. How do you think I went? I think this is pretty good for my first attempt, but I'm really excited to use this more and more, and eventually I will become good at it. I definitely need some practice, because obviously it's only been like 5 minutes. But you know what, this is really fun. I really love using this pen, and yeah, let me just do some random stuff with it and practice. See, I've just been messing around with it more, and I've written my name again, trying to do a little flourish at the bottom. That didn't quite work as I planned, but you know what, I think I'm improving slowly. That is going to be all for the video. If you enjoyed, please do consider subscribing and leaving a like. This is only part 1, which is the unboxing. Expect more of this on my channel, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks to my brother for helping me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.